Hey guys, welcome to Black to the Future. It is, what's today? Thursday, June 12th. Just decided to hop on here really quick, tell you what I'm seeing. Hopefully you can see my screen up 46,000 right now. Knew this was coming, just based off of, what you see here. And so what you see here is that this is NQ, by the way. So this is the NASDAQ 100. You can see I have this little rectangle here, right, which is my resistance level. Down below, I have a support level, right? But I also have several things. I have gaps that need to be filled. Okay, so I'm going to point that out. You see a gap here, you see a gap here. Those need to be filled, right? So you do have your fair value gaps. Um, with the strategy that I teach, it lets me also know that the volume is not continuing to go up. So as you can see here, the market structure is up, but it hit the support level. And then there was a particular candle. So if you're in my class, you understand that I pointed this out. That once you get a particular candles, this is why it's important for you to understand, your candlesticks and know what you see, because sometimes it will give you an indication on when the market is going to turn around the other way. And so with that being said, I got a particular candle that I'm familiar with that I know that was also going to change the direction. My strategy lets me know that it's changing the direction, the momentum, right? The momentum and the volume lets me know that it is also going to change. So with all those things, I'm able to see, really what's going to happen and when it's going to happen. I've also pointed out that this right here, where I'm going around in a circle, that looks like a possible cup and handle. But if you kind of zoom in a little bit more, you also kind of see a double top pattern. So your patterns are important, your candlesticks are all important. Everything plays a major role. And it's just a matter of you putting all the pieces together, right? And being able to understand when you need to get in. So the strategy that I teach lets you know when it is time to actually get in. And it's only up to you to basically take the initiative to go ahead and hit the button, right? Of course, this is 12 contracts. Most people don't have 12 contracts type of money, okay? And that's all right. But you can start, with a mini or a micro account. So all of those different things I teach in my course. I have over 150 plus videos, self-paced videos to help you understand different strategies, something that you're comfortable with, right? And it just allows you to learn and continue to learn. Um, as long as there is, the stock market and trading, there's going to be some type of strategy that you may use, that you may actually like and stick with, and maybe you want to capitalize with learning more. So keep going. This is not a get quick rich scheme. This is definitely a skill that you have to take your time and learn. And once you do learn, then you start to see results like this. All right. So I just wanted to hop in here really quick, let you know, to keep going, keep pushing forward. This is my fourth year of trading. And I just can't wait, to get in my 10th year, how much more I will learn and how much more I will progress. And so I hope that you do the same. If this is something that you're really interested in, you can definitely check out my Instagram. It is TRESE, Riches with the S, so Treese Riches. And if you're interested in, one of my courses, then definitely DM me and I'll give you the information and let you go from there. But other than that, hope you have a good one. Happy trading, guys. Have a good one.